Okay, y'all, I'm just going to do a real quick how I ran the wiring for my new SS3 stage series ditch lights that are backlit amber. It's real simple, didn't take much time at all. Just ran it down here, ran it along. You can see how it's hidden there. Ran that all the way across. So it's hidden down in there. Just tried to hide it the best I can, make it look nice and clean. Right up into the other one. Super fun job to do. I thought I was gonna have troubles, and just real easy to do. There's the relay, and if you look right down there, you'll see there you go, focus for you. That's where I went through the firewall, so I didn't have to drill any holes or anything, and I'll show you on the inside what I did here. So if y'all look right there up underneath, that little rubber grommet comes right out. You can push it right back in, and it doesn't leak one bit. Ran it up underneath the dash, and I'll show you my switch. So there's my switch. I had that dead space where the trailer brake has a space for from the factory, and I didn't have one, so I just stuck my switch there so it looks factory. So let me close the hood and we'll get you a shot of the backlight and the ditch lights lit up. You guys can see there, that's the backlit. So yeah, it's way easier than I thought it was going to be to do this kit. Diode dynamic makes it real simple, real easy, just plug and play. Let's get them ditch lights turned on the full power. Alright y'all, these are the pros, the SS3 pros, by the way. So man, just the light output on these are just insane. As you can see, this is bright sunshiny day, even though I'm under a tree here, but I mean, wow. The light output is just incredible. Super high quality. Definitely not disappointed, and you won't be either. Y'all, you can't go wrong. Get yourself a set of these. And as always, thanks for tuning in to Disgruntled Garage, and see you on the next one.